Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will solve some of the MCQs related to simple interest, and this is the part 2 of the video. In case you haven't watched the part 1 of the video, you can click at the I button at the right top corner of the screen. So before moving forward, in case you haven't subscribed to this video, kindly subscribe so that you will get the notifications every time I upload new videos. Question number 6. A sum of rupees 12,500 amounts to rupees 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? Option A 3%, option B 4%, option C 5%, option D 6%. So here the question asks we have to find the rate of interest. So in this question, first of all, we should understand the meaning of this word amount. What is the meaning of this word amount? Amount means principal plus interest. So principal plus interest is called amount. So from this formula we can find the interest. So from here it follows interest is equal to amount minus principal. So the amount is given 15,500 and the principal is given 12,500. So if we minus this one, interest will be 3,000. So we got the interest here, interest to be 3,000, and we know the formula of finding rate of interest. Rate of interest equal to 100 multiplied by interest divided by principal multiplied by time. So 100 interest we already calculated, which is 3,000, and the principal is given 12,500, and the time is given here 4 years. So 4. So this 0 and this 0 we can cancel with this, and 4 we can cancel with 3,000. So 3,000 will be how much? So 4 into 7, 28. So we'll carry 2 to 20, got 5. 5 will be 20, to 70. So 750 divided by 125, this will be equal to 6%. So we find the rate of interest to be 6%. So the correct option here is option D. Option D here, 6%. Question number 7. An automobile financier claims to be lending money at simple interest, but he includes the interest every 6 months for calculating the principal. If he is charging an interest of 10%, the effective rate of interest becomes option A 10%, option B 10.25, option C 10.5, option D none of this. So in this question, the data is not given, or the amount or the principal money is not given. So we will assume the principal which this financier give or he lends to be 100 rupees. So the question says the lender includes the interest every 6 months. So we have to calculate the interest for first 6 months first. Interest for first 6 months, which is equal to I equal to, in the formula for interest, it's principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So from here it follows I equal to principal. We take principal to be 100. So here 100. The rate is given 10%. So we'll take 10. The time since we can calculate it in 6 monthly, so the time will be 1/2. That is 6 months, or we can say half of the year, divided by 100. So 100 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1, 100 multiplied by 2. This one half or 1/2 will become 1/2. So this 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So here the interest will be 5 rupees. At the end of 6 months, the lender will earn simple interest 5 rupees at the end of 6 months. So at the end of 6 months, the amount will be, after 6 months, the amount will be principal plus interest, which is 100 plus 5, which is 105. So at the end of 6 months, this lender accumulates 105 rupees. So this 105 rupees amount will be our new principal. So the interest for last 6 months will be I equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So the principal is our new principal, which is 105. The rate is same 10%, and the time is, since it is 6 months or half yearly, so we will multiply by half. So from here it follows the interest for the last 6 months is equal to 105 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2. So this one will get cancelled. So 105 divided by 20 is equal to 5.25. So now the amount of money after 1 year is equal to, will be this principal plus the interest for first month plus interest for interest for first 6 months, and the interest plus interest for this one last 6 months will be 100 plus 5 plus 5.25. So which is equal to 110.25. So now we have to find the interest for 1 year. So we know the amount, the formula amount is equal to principal plus interest. So the interest after 1 year will be I equal to amount minus principal. So the amount after 1 year, it came to be 110.25, and the principal, which is the basic principal, which we consider, it's 100. So interest after 1 year is equal to 10.25. Now we have to find the interest rate, effective interest rate after 1 year. So the rate of interest, we know the formula is equal to rate equal to 100 multiplied by interest divided by principal multiplied by time. So it's 100. The interest we already calculated, interest 10.25, and the principal we calculated to be 100, and the time is for 1 year. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So the rate of interest, it came to be 10.25%. After 1 year, the effective rate of interest becomes 10.25. So the correct option here is option B, which is 10.25. Question number 8. Master A lent rupees 5,000 to Master B for 2 years and rupees 3,000 to Master C for 4 years on simple interest at the same rate of interest, and receive rupees 2,200 in all from both of them as interest. The rate of interest per annum is option A 5%, option B 7%, option C 8%, option D 10%. So in this question, we have to find the rate of interest. So we'll assume let the rate of interest PR per annum. So this is the rate of interest. So the question says Master A lend 5,000 to Master B for 2 years, and Master A lend 3,000 to Master C for 4 years, and the total interest he got from both of them is equal to 2,200. So the interest will be interest which he got from Master B plus interest he got from Master C. So this interest is already given 2,200, which is he got from both of Master A and Master B and Master C. So the interest for this Master A and Master B, we know the formula: P into R into T divided by 100 plus P into R into T divided by 100. So we just have to write the data. So for Master B, the principal is 5,000 and the rate of interest is R and the time is for 2 years divided by 100. And for Master C, principal he gave 3,000, the rate of interest is R and the time is 4 years divided by 100. So from here it follows 2,200 equal to this 0 and this 0 will cancel. So will 50 multiplied by 2 equal to 100R plus this 0 will cancel with this 20. 30 plus 4, 30 multiplied by 4 equal to 120R. So from here it follows 2,200 is equal to 220R. From here it follows R equal to 2,200 divided by 220. 0 will get cancelled. So 220 divided by 22 is equal to 10%. So the correct option here is option D, which is 10%. The rate of interest per annum is 10%. Question number 9. A sum of rupees 725 is lent at the beginning of the year at a certain rate of interest. After 8 months, a sum of rupees 362.5 more is lent but at the rate interest twice the former. At the end of the year, rupees 33.5 is earned as interest from both the loan. So here the question asks what was the original rate of interest. So we have to find the rate of interest. So since it is not given, so we'll assume let the rate of interest be R% per annum, and the sum of rupees 725 is lent at the beginning of the year at the rate of interest R% per annum. Say this is loan A, and after 8 months, a sum of rupees 362.5 is lent at the rate of interest twice the former. That means twice R% per annum. Say this is loan B, and the interest which he earned at the end of 1 year. At the end of 1 year, the interest he earned is equal to 33.5. This is given. So this I is equal to interest he earned from loan A plus interest he earned from loan B. So from here it follows I is already given 33.5, and the formula for interest from loan A is equal to principal for loan A multiply interest multiply by time divided by 100 plus interest formula for interest for loan B is equal principal for B multiply by rate multiply by time divided by 100. So from here it follows 33.5 is equal to the principal for loan A equal to 725 and the rate is R and the time is full 1 year divided by 100 and plus the principal for loan B is 362.5 and the rate of interest is twice R and the time, since it is after 8 months, so there is only 3 months left, so will be 1 divided by 100 multiplied by 3, that is this 1 by 3 is the time. So from here it follows 33.5 is equal to 725 R divided by 100 plus 362.5 multiplied by R equal to 725 R divided by 300. So here we have to take LCM. So the LCM is 300. 725 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2175 R plus 725 R. So from here it follows 2175 plus 725 is equal to 2900 R is equal to 33.5 multiplied by 300. From here it follows R equal to 33.5 multiplied by 300 divided by 2900. So this 0 cancel with this 0, this 0 with this 0. So from here it follows 33.5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 100.5. So divided by 29. So divided by 29 will be 3.4655. So we'll just write 3.46%. So this is the R is equal to 3.46%. So this is the original rate of interest. So we find here there is this 3.4 is not, it's not given here. So there is no correct option given here. So E will be the correct option here. Question number 10. A man took loan from a bank at the rate of interest 12% per annum. After 3 years, he paid rupees 5,400 interest. The principal amount borrowed by him was option A 2,000, option B 10,000, option C 15,000, option D 20,000. So here the question asks we have to find the principal amount. So the data which is given, rate of interest is given 12%, the time is given 3 years, and the interest which he paid 5,400. These all the data are given. So we know the formula for finding principal is equal to 100 multiplied by interest divided by rate multiplied by time. It's equal to 100 and the interest is given 5,400 and the rate is given 12 and the time 3 years. So for 5,400 we'll divide it by 3. So here we'll put 3, then 2, 24, 8. So 1800, and 1800 we can divide it by 12. 12 will go with 1. So will remaining 60 will go 5, equal to 150. So 100 multiplied by 150. From here it follows principal equal to 15000. So the principal amount or the principal which he borrowed is 15,000. So the correct option here is option C 15,000. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.